Hello viewers, we have a very nice exponential equation and we have to find the value for x. But please don't forget to share this video, subscribe and press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. So in this question, we start by dividing both sides of the equation by 40. So dividing both sides by 40, I will have my e to the power 0.6x equals my 240 divided by 40. So I'll have e to the power 0.6x equals, this one gives me 6. So what I have to do is to take ln of both sides of the equation. So my ln e to the power 0.6x equals ln 6. So now we know this relationship that ln e to the power x equals x. So we will apply this relationship here. So here my ln e is here. So 0.6x becomes my x, which is equal to x. So the whole of this one gives me 0.6x when we apply this relationship equals ln 6. So making it the subject, divide both sides by 0.6. So my x equals ln 6 divided by 0.6. So using the calculator, approximately my x will be 2.99. So this is my final answer for x. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.